Supplementary Prayers 13. Istikhara Prayer. If a person wishes to receive a sign as to whether a matter concerning themselves is beneficial or not, they should perform 2 rak'ats of prayer before going to bed. In the first rak'ah, one recites Surah Al-KAFIRUN, and in the second rak'ah, Surah Al-IKHLAS. At the end of the prayer, one recites the Istikhara Dua. Then, while still in a state of ABDEST, one faces the QIBLA and lies down. Seeing white and green in a dream is a sign of good. Seeing black or red is a sign of evil, bad. It has been narrated in a Hadith that the Istikhara prayer should be performed for 7 nights, and one should follow the first inspiration that comes to the heart. The Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, taught Istikhara to his companions. When it is not possible to perform the Istikhara prayer, one must content on self with the prayer alone. In fact, Istikhara performed for a legitimate and beneficial matter is conducted to determine whether IT should be done at the desired time or not. IT is not performed directly for that beneficial matter itself, such as whether or not to perform the HAJJ in a particular year. The Istikhara prayer is narrated from the Prophet, PBUH, as follows. O Allah, I seek your guidance through your knowledge. I seek your assistance through your power, and I ask you from your immense bounty. For you alone determine, and I do not. You alone know, and I do not, and you are the knower of the unseen. O Allah, if you know that this matter is good for me in my religion, my livelihood, the outcome of my affairs, and both the immediate and long-term aspects of my affairs, then decree it for me, make it easy for me and bless it. And if you know that this matter is evil for me in my religion, my livelihood, the outcome of my affair, its immediate matter, and its future, then turn it away from me and turn me away from IT. FAGDIR LÂYE'L-HAYRE HAYSÜ KÂNE, SUMME ERDINÄ BIHI, meaning, O God, because you know best, I ask of you what is best for me, and because you have the power, I ask of your strength. I ask for good from your great generosity, for you have power over all things. I, however, am powerless. You know all things. I do not. You also know what is to come. O God, if you know that this matter is beneficial for my faith, my worldly life, my future, and my life in this world and the hereafter, then grant it to me and make it easy for me. Then bless me in IT. If you know that this matter is evil for me regarding my religion, my way of life, my future, and my life in this world and the hereafter, remove IT from me and keep me away from IT, wherever good may be. Grant it to me and bestow it upon me. Then make me content with it.